Say cheese. Hey guys, check it out. We got a new camera. Okay, we're not really gonna zoom in. Alright, so anyway, we are, well, apart from trying to play with our new camera, Stacy got a present.
I got a new computer.
Yeah, it's a new computer, although she's a little bit skeptical about the size because it's about half her size.
Something smaller.
I know, but that's what she's used to. She's used to this tiny little thing down here. This tiny little thing right down here. Alright, so we've already started kind of putting it together just a little bit. So just so you can kind of, you know, see what's going on here. We've already got the processor in and stuff. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to insert the RAM. And we're going to see if her old RAM will work. Because we know for a fact that her CD drive and her old hard drive will work fine. That's not the problem. So just unclip, just pull those white tabs out from right there. There you go. Look at you.
Well, I knew that.
So I'm just gonna go ahead in here and pull the other one out. See, I'm so fragile, so delicate when it comes to building computers. And this is probably
That's the only thing he's delicate with.
I know, right? So yeah, this.
It doesn't matter which
Yeah, it does. It matters.
No, you're not.
All right, you put it in because I'm gonna film this while you're doing this.
You're not putting it right.
So we're trying to recycle a few parts from her computer. Oh, by the way, one of them's Try again. Try it now. Oh, is that good? Does it fit?
Yes and no. It doesn't click.
There it is. You gotta push it down a little harder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, like we're trying to use new parts for her computer. So far it looks pretty good. It looks like everything's coming together. So she's gonna insert those. Which how many gigs did RAM did this come with? I forgot. I want to say.
With RAM, I think it was 500 and then a terabyte of memory, something like that.
Not 500 gigs.
Oh no, I don't know. That's what it said.
Hold on. Let's look at the package. Let's look at this package thing here. Where's the side panel? There it is. Which looks like you had 4 gigs of RAM.
Oh, 4 gigs. I'm sorry.
Yeah, which means both of those are 2.
Memory, not.
No. Yeah, those two are 2 gigs of RAM.
Can you push it in?
Just push it down, hon.
I did.
You should just hear it click. Just push one in.
Oh. I try to do it all together.
Then the other. There you go.
So the RAM did fit.
Yeah, the RAM does fit. Well, you still need 8 gigs of RAM, and I'll take one more because it'll help my computer.
No.
Well, then you're gonna have a weird 12 gigs of RAM.
Who spent the money here that he argued with me for the deepest end of time, saying, no, your RAM's not going to fit. Your RAM's not going to fit. How about we check before we buy
Hey, I wasn't
extra
sure.
RAM?
I wasn't sure. But hey, you know, there's no such thing as having too much RAM. All right, so next thing we're going to need to do is we'll forego the other. We'll tell you what, put that one in there just for the thing of having it because obviously we want to make sure that.
Oh, yeah, I want more memory.
Yeah, so.
Especially with all the video games that I have. Now, I can either save that or use it.
I mean, I would put it in my computer because that'll make my computer run a little faster too.
Well, I don't want you to use it for your computer. Maybe I want to use it.
Yeah, she doesn't want me to have nice things. God forbid I should have nice things as well. But,
see that little camera right there? See that little? You see it? You see it? You see it? See? You see me, right? See me? Yeah, that's his.
Well, technically I bought this for our future Japan trip, and hopefully you can use this for your Korean trip too, because this will take some great pictures. Yeah, right. All right. So now that we got that done, now we're gonna add.
Now I'm thinking about Korean men. Yay!
Well, they are sexy. Anyway, all right. So everything else looks good on here. The only other thing that we need to add. We're actually gonna go ahead and cut out for a moment, just because the next part is gonna be really boring. So we'll
a lot of mumbo jumbo and talk.
Yeah, a lot of mumbo jumbo and just us trying to get stuff from the right place. So we'll cut it out and come back in just a moment. So How do you? There you go.
Last night I went raving, all night techno playing. One song.
Fuck you, that's how.
I have no clue to the track name. It's driving me insane. The shoe plays through my head, and this is how it went. It went do 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 do. It went do 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 do. Like this. Do 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 do. It went do 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 do. Like this. The shoe plays through my head, and this is how it went. Last night I went raving, all night techno playing. One song that I heard playing, in my mind it has stayed. I have no clue to the track name. It's driving me insane. The shoe plays through my head, and this is how.
Eat me, don't forget to write.